YouTube? Toddy Yamaha, and today we got a pretty cool project going. I've got this really old bird mini bike that I got several years ago from a junkyard, and it's pretty clapped, but it's complete. But recently, I went and got this tiller from the same junkyard, and today we're gonna see if we can get this going, and we're gonna try to get this mini bike restored. I've got some parts. I got a seat from Go Power Sports, carburetor rebuild kit for this, and some a throttle cable and hand grips for this. We're going to see if we can put a mini bike together today. So let's get to it. Alright, so I already checked to see if this engine has oil. It does. We're just going to go with it for right now. We're going to take the lid off this and shoot some carb cleaner down it and see if it'll fire. Get a look at this air cleaner. There's some stuff rattling in here. Mind frame.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Ugh.
That's disgusting. Chuck that. Let's shoot it with some carb cleaner and see what happens. Run, chokes off. It's not that fast. Okay, it runs. Awesome. It's pretty dirty, but all right. I guess the next step is take the carb and gas tank off because I'm sure this is jank. Oh, bro, I can just smell it. That's
What's the smell like?
bad gas. Wow. Ugh. That's gross. Can't wait to pour that out. That's nice and rusty. Ta-da! All right, let's see what's in this tank. Oh God, honey. That tank looks real bad.
Do you have a spare?
I might.
What are we doing now?
We're gonna try the tank and carb off this old Briggs that's been sitting for several years because this one, as it was eating the rust, revealed some holes where it rusted through. So this tank's no good. And I don't have another one like it. So we're gonna try to use this tank because the tank is good. I don't know about the carburetor. And the two types of carburetor are not interchangeable. This has an older style adjustable carburetor, and that one used the newer style non-adjustable carb. So we're just gonna check this one out. Probably not even check it out. We're probably just gonna slap it on there and pour some gas in it and see if it runs. Yeah.
How's it look?
I mean, it looks like it should work. I need a knife. Like surface rust. Oh, you know what would have been smart?
What?
I would have rinsed this thing out before I put it on here.
Rinsed what out?
The gas tank.
Oh.
It's got some patina on it.
What?
Some patina.
What's that?
It just like looks old. Alright. Let's hold it down and pour some gasoline in it.
Are you just gonna hand tighten them for now?
Yeah, probably.
How much are you gonna put in?
About half a tank.
Why?
Otherwise the it doesn't have enough vacuum. I mean, it'd probably work, but it's just best to give it all the help we can give it. Honestly. You know what it's not doing? It's not smoking.
That's good.
That went a lot better than I thought it would.
That's something.
It is leaking though. A lot.
So what's going on with it?
So what I'm thinking is the diaphragm pump in there is not working properly, because the way Briggs and Stratton pulse-eject carbs work is there's the main fuel tank, which is like the green part, and then there's a smaller bowl in there that the carburetor draws off to run. So the diaphragm pumps fuel from the main tank into the little small bowl for the carburetor to run. And if it's not working properly, it'll idle like it was, but whenever you rev it, if you notice, it revved up for a second and then it started like stalling. It's because that fuel bowl, the small fuel bowl, is not getting refilled. So it's essentially like running out of gas until you let it off, let it idle for a little bit, and it gets enough back in to do it again. So, yeah.
Parts run.
Yeah, the carburetor needs a rebuild, so we're gonna see what we can do.
What'd you find?
I found one piece of the throttle
Oh,
and a jet kit.
it's like Christmas back there.
It really is. This bag says 2-degree offset flywheel key, but it's got some governor parts in here. Maybe? No. That sucks. Why did I even save this crap? recording?
Yeah.
All right. I broke it.
What'd you do to make it run a little bit better? Because before it was running like garbage.
I put a really big main jet in there. For some reason, the stock one won't let it run. And then I screwed the mixture screw in basically all the way, but now it runs.
Why do you think it leaks around the gas tank so much?
I don't know. It has a new gasket. It shouldn't leak. Complete fire hazard. Got all over everything.
Hopefully it seals. What are you doing?
I'm just sanding off the surface rust so that the clutch will fit on nicely. Nice. It's tight. We're just going ghetto with it. So far, this bike has cost me a throttle cable, a carb rebuild kit, and a seat. And just put the cable in there and then tighten it up. No idea if this is actually going to hold anything. All right.
What?
There's like a little center, like donut. Wicked. That's gonna work perfectly.
You can talk if you want.
I'm making a ghetto air filter. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me oil it.
Little filter oil.
Nice and treated. And then just put it back in the little thing. Be on our merry way. I'd breathe through that. There we go. can see, this mini bike runs and drives. And it's nice and quiet, great for residential areas, and overall this thing was a blast to put together. It runs pretty good. Took a while to get the carburetor dialed in. You know, these old Briggs motors take a little fiddling to get them running properly, but overall it's pretty reliable. And this mini bike's super fun, and it was super cheap to put together. It only cost me a seat for $30 from Go Power Sports, and a carb rebuild kit and some parts I had laying around. So if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.